In this video, I'm going to show you how to file a tax extension with TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is log into your account inside TurboTax, and then once you are inside your account, you want to go over here to the main page, which is basically this tax homepage, and then you want to go to the very bottom where you can see a button which says File an Extension. So just click on that. And then from here, it's going to take you to a different website, there we go, which says get started on your federal extension. If you can't finish your return by April 15, 2025, an extension will give you more time to file. And over here, it's going to give you a bunch of different information as well. And then if you want to file an extension, so a tax extension inside TurboTax, you can simply press continue over here. And then you have to answer to some of these questions that are being asked over here, and then keep on pressing continue. And via that, they will guide you through a form basically, and they will show you how to file a tax extension and help you file one as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.